Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply change your voice language on YouTube search. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. The very first thing you need to do is open up your YouTube app. So I'm going to click on here. After you open up your YouTube app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon from the bottom corner right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on setting icon right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply go to general. Then right here, switch to voice search language. Then from the options right here, you can select any of your language you understand right here for a better search result with voice. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.